In today's video, I'm going to show you how chopping your own veggies and shredding your own cheese can save you a lot of money at the grocery store. So stay tuned so you don't miss any of it. Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. I saw a video the other day and it was a lady showing how she chops her own veggies and shreds her own cheese. And we all know that in today's economy, we need to save money anywhere we can. So I decided I was gonna try it myself, and I went to Sam's and Costco and bought these vegetables and the 2 blocks of cheese. And so I'm gonna chop it all myself and bag it up and put it all in the freezer. I figured I would start with shredding my cheese, so I have my shredder, my wax paper, and a big bowl to put it all in. But I got this 2.5 pound block of Tillamook Colby Jack cheese from Sam's for $10.28. And so I'm just gonna shred it, and I will actually link this cheese shredder in the description box below. I got it from Amazon and it's awesome. You can see how quickly I shredded everything. Also, I will be freezing the cheese. Now that I have everything shredded, I am going to just measure off 2 cups for each Ziploc bag, and because that is how much cheese you can get from Target, and I will go over prices later in the video, so make sure to stay tuned. But now I'm going to work on the Gouda. I love Gouda. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite kind of cheese is. For storing the Gouda, I'm just keeping everything in snack size bags and measuring out 1 cup for each bag of the Gouda. Now onto the vegetables. I'm actually gonna chop my veggies in 2 different ways. When I use onion and bell pepper, sometimes I use them diced and sometimes I use them sliced. So I'm kind of mixing it up when I am chopping the onions. And also this little stand that I'm using for the Ziploc bags is so handy. I will also link that in the description box below. And I don't want to leave out my chopper. I will link that down below as well because it is awesome. I love my chopper. Doing the bell pepper the same way. Mainly I'm dicing the bell pepper, and I actually already used 1 bell pepper, so I only had 5 out of the bag of 6. But anyway, I am chopping these up into little dice-sized pieces, and then you can't really tell, but I'm using a different blade for 1 bell pepper, and then the colored bell pepper, I use the one that makes it kind of in more like slices rather than being diced, because I use these more in like fajitas kind of stuff. So that's why I'm using a different blade for the colored bell pepper. And all of this is going into the freezer. All right, I finished chopping and bagging, so let's discuss prices. This is a 6 pound bag of onions that I got from Sam's, and they're sweet onions, and they were $4.73. Now, in the produce section of Walmart, you can get this fresh diced onions for $2.88, or in the freezer section, you can get a 10-ounce bag of chopped onions for $1.46. If I bagged everything approximate enough, I would have spent $13 at Walmart, so I saved about $8 on onions. Now the bell peppers were a little different. The Walmart, you can buy them, the green bell pepper at Walmart for $1.46 for a 10-ounce bag, but for the Sam's purchase, you get 6 of them, and the price on that is $5 and some change, and the multicolored you get 6, and it's $6 and some change. But they don't sell chopped multicolored bell pepper. So I really hate to give a, kind of comparison, but I did get a lot for my freezer, so this is gonna be great. I would probably say that for the bell pepper, probably comes out about even, but like I said, you can't find the chopped multicolored bell pepper. So I figured I might as well just get all of it, chop it all at once, and have it in the freezer. Now the cheese is a whole different story. This 2.5 pound block of Colby Jack Tillamook was $10.28, and at Target, the Tillamook, they don't sell the Colby Jack, but the sharp cheddar is $4.49. I ended up bagging 6.5 2-cup servings of the cheese. So that would have equaled $27 at Target, and that gave me a savings of $16. So anyway, you can see how chopping all of these veggies, shredding all of the cheese, while it did take some time, it took me probably 2 hours to do all of this, but it was totally worth it. Now, if you love seeing videos like this, then I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. Make sure you click that subscribe button, click the bell button so you don't miss any of my videos, and I will see you next time. Bye.